Hello students, this is Poonam teacher back with a new video of Science 1, and today I'll be teaching you refining of metals, corrosion, and to prevent that corrosion. So let's see refining of metals. See, whenever we do all of the above process to separate to separate the metal from rest of the elements, first we extract that particular uh, compound from the ore, and then the desired metal is extracted from it, and then we do all of the above process as I've taught you into the previous video. But in spite of doing all that, we do not obtain the metal into its pure form. So there may be some impurities present into it, and that has to be separated to obtain the pure metal. And electrolysis method can be applied for obtaining the pure metal from the impure metal. So electrolysis means decomposition of any compound or removing of the impurities from the metal by the passage of electric current. Now let's see corrosion. Now, corrosion of metals. I hope you know certain things about corrosion. Corrosion means a chemical attack on the metal, or it is a degradation into the quality of the metal due to the exposure towards the environment. And we have already seen that how rusting of iron takes place. Rusting means the reddish brown color substance will be formed on the surface of iron into the presence of air and moisture, and the molecular formula of rust is Fe2O3H2O. So this is rust. So rust is an undesirable change because it leads to a large financial loss, and rusting is a big problem because it degrades the quality of the iron article. The tensile strength of the iron may decrease, the shine of the iron may decrease. So that is why this rusting is an undesirable change. So we have to protect all those articles from getting rusted. Not only iron is affected by the environment, but also rest of the metals like copper. Copper reacts with carbon dioxide into the moist air and results into formation of copper carbonate, that is CuCO3. So it will result into formation of a greenish layer of copper carbonate on the copper article, and this is called as patination of copper. And if you want to remove this greenish layer of copper carbonate, you can see that a powder comes which is known as pitambari. So if that is used, that ready-made powder can be used, you can remove that layer of CuCO3 from the surface of copper vessel. And if you don't have all such ready-made uh, agents, you can use lemon, and or you can use tamarind, because that lemon consists of citric acid, tamarind consists of tartaric acid, and this will help in removing that layer of copper carbonate, and then the copper vessel can gain back its original luster. Now silver articles, you might have seen various silver articles, and even you might have used such kind of silver articles, and on exposure to air, such kind of silver articles, it turns blackish because it reacts with the hydrogen sulfide which is present into the air, forming silver sulfide layer, and because of that the silver articles turns blackish. So this layer can be removed by using aqua regia solution, so that the layer of silver sulfide can be removed from the surface of silver, and silver will gain back its original shine. Now oxidation of aluminium means formation of oxide layer on the surface of aluminium due to exposure towards the air. Because aluminium is a reactive metal, it easily reacts with oxygen, forming aluminium oxide, that is Al2O3. So that thin layer of aluminium oxide is formed on the surface of aluminium, which is known as oxidation of aluminium, and this is also a type of corrosion. Now let's see prevention of corrosion into next video.